A message to men: the women have spoken. Listening to the voices and experiences of women is essential for building understanding and fostering respectful and equal relationships. Here's a message from women to men. We seek equality. We want a world where men and women are treated as equals in all aspects of life. Supporting gender equality benefits everyone. Respect our autonomy. Respect our autonomy and choices. We have the right to make decisions about our bodies, careers, and lives, just as you do. Listen and empathize. We value men who actively listen and empathize with our experiences, concerns, and feelings. Your support and understanding mean a lot. Consent is key. Always ask for and respect clear and enthusiastic consent in all situations, whether it's in relationships or everyday interactions. Challenge gender stereotypes. Join us in challenging and breaking down gender stereotypes that limit both men and women. Let's create a world where people can be themselves. Be a partner, not a savior. In relationships, be a partner, not a savior. We want equal and supportive partners who respect our strengths and independence. Celebrate our achievements, celebrate our accomplishments, no matter how big or small. Encourage our ambitions and celebrate our successes. Fight gender-based violence. Stand with us against gender-based violence and harassment. We need your support to create safer spaces for all. Educate and advocate. Join us in educating others about gender equality and advocating for women's rights. Together, we can affect positive change. Respect our diversity. Understand that women are diverse in their beliefs, backgrounds, and identities. Respect our individuality and experiences. Remember that this message reflects the desire for equal treatment and respect. Building a more inclusive and equitable society requires the active participation of everyone, regardless of gender, in dismantling harmful stereotypes and working towards a more just world.